Simple present total workout number 2. Number 6. Who speaks carefully? Repeat. Answer. You. You speak carefully. Repeat. Yes, no question. Do you speak carefully? Repeat. Answer. No. No, you don't speak carefully. Repeat. Question about the object. How? How do you speak? Repeat. Answer. Carefully. You speak carefully. Repeat. Number 7. Who makes delicious pizza? Repeat. Answer. Paul. Paul makes delicious pizza. Repeat. Yes, no question. Does Paul make delicious pizza? Repeat. Answer. No. No, Paul doesn't make delicious pizza. Repeat. Question about the object. What? What does Paul make? Repeat. Answer. Delicious pizza. Paul makes delicious pizza. Repeat. Number 8. Who eats the pizza? Repeat. Answer. Janet. Janet eats the pizza. Repeat. Yes, no question. Does Janet eat the pizza? Repeat. Answer. No. No, Janet doesn't eat the pizza. Repeat. Question about the object. What? What does Janet eat? Repeat. Answer. The pizza. Janet eats the pizza. Repeat. Number 9. Who washes the dishes carefully? Repeat. Answer. Mark. Mark washes the dishes carefully. Repeat. Yes/no question. Does Mark wash the dishes carefully? Repeat. Answer: no. No, Mark doesn't wash the dishes carefully. Repeat. Question about the object. How? How does Mark wash the dishes? Repeat. Answer: carefully. Mark washes the dishes carefully. Repeat. Question about the object. What? What does Mark wash carefully? Repeat. Answer: the dishes. Mark washes the dishes carefully. Repeat. Number 10. Who puts the dishes away carefully? Repeat. Answer: we. We put the dishes away carefully. Repeat. Yes/no question. Do we put the dishes away carefully? Repeat. Answer: no. No, we don't put the dishes away carefully. Repeat. Question about the object. How? How do we put the dishes away? Repeat. Answer: carefully. We put the dishes away carefully. Repeat. Question about the object. What? What do we put away carefully? Repeat. Answer: the dishes. We put the dishes away carefully. Repeat.